It is small hotel, but it's cute and it has everything you need if you will just sleep there and be outside all the day. And the price is very good. I like everything. It was clean, calm, no noise. Clean room, strong internet, squeaky clean, and best of all the staff who really go the extra mile. Hussein Bey çok ilgilenen ayırsak olsun. Benim gibi gece seslenip kalemirsans rahat uyursunuz. Yan taraf İstiklal olduğu için SKS'nilmez. Aklınızda bulunsun. Olmansında tam FP yeri top. Very good hotel, and perfect staff. Mr. Hussein help us a lot. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. Excellent location with few steps away from the tourist attraction, the İstiklal Street. The location offers marvelous food options, convenient transport connections, and last but not the least, amazing friendly staff at the hotel. Very nice to stay here, especially the afternoon reception. It is so friendly, clean, and good place. The location of the hotel is very good, but keep in mind that it is very noisy since it is Taksim Istiklal Street. If we talk about the hotel, then the hotel staff are very polite and friendly. Many thanks to Ayhan for his help. He helped us and always found the things we asked him for. Thanks a lot. With love, Amangal from Kazakhstan. When I arrived, the staff was very welcoming, so warm in their welcome. The check-in was easy, my luggage was quite heavy, and they helped me all the way to the room, showing me all the facilities. There was no noise or anything here, which is good for me and my husband. My husband also liked this hotel when he arrived after a long flight. When we checked out, the guy helped with my luggage all the way to the door, which made everything very easy. They have a lift here, so don't worry. All the staff here are very warmly welcoming. I forgot the name of the staff member, Mustafa or someone else, sorry. He was very warm and good place to stay in Taksim, near to public transportation and all good restaurants around. Very friendly staff, especially Mr. Hussein. He provided best services and welcoming. Rooms are clean, beds are comfy. We stayed in this hotel for 2 days and it's really nice place. The rooms are clean and well comfortable. The staff are very friendly and supportive, especially Mr. Hussein at the reception. He provided an excellent services and support during our stay. Sure we'll come again to this place. All perfect. It was a pleasant stay for one night and value with the money. The staff was helpful and friendly, the bed also soft and room was nice. The hotel surrounds a lot of good restaurant in Taksim. I think I would come back again to stay in here. Thank you. One of best hotel I ever stay. Room very clean properly. Location at the center of Istiklal, easy to go everywhere. Mr. Owner and Hamza very respectful person, polite and friendly, both of them very helpful for me. Truly recommended this hotel. We will